What's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. My name is Darren Warren, and this is Day One Adventures. Today, heading to DC, Taste of Delaware. So we're getting on this train. It's the MARC. I don't know what it stands for. Maybe I'll find out later. But we're getting on this train. We're going to ride to DC. It's a group of us, and we're going to show some Delaware support. Time for an adventure. All right, here we go. This is the first time I've been. Oh, look at this guy. It's got a second floor. We're going top shelf tonight, folks. Everybody wants to go upstairs here. Are we doing assigned seating? All right, so let's go check out Taste of Delaware. All right, we're getting ready to go into the main room, sample some of the wares, local Delaware artisans and everything. So let's go in, and the smell, the aroma that I'm getting just from standing out here is phenomenal. So they're getting ready to start. Let's head on in.
Thank you to the unbelievable folks who are representing Delaware today. We've got some great young people learning the culinary arts, and I hope you will give a huge round of applause.
My name's Ahmad Thomas. I'm in 11th grade. I'm representing Dale Castle Technical High School in the culinary arts program. That's my second time.
This is your second time?
Yeah,
today?
I came 10th grade year.
So what should I look for today? Anything special I should look for?
You should look for a lot of the Delaware vendors and stuff. A lot of the Delaware businesses and the local businesses. It's like, and one business in there is called, it's Dairy something. I don't really know, but it's an ice cream business and they sell cheese and stuff, fresh produce. I think that's something you should check out. And you should check out our school too. We have a nice little dish, just a little something.
A little something.
My name is Letitia Dismute.
Okay. And what's the name of your business?
My name is A Taste of Jazz, LLC.
Okay. And where you located?
I'm located in Millsboro, Delaware, but I travel wherever I am called to go. So I started in 2015 just as a part-time, but in 2020 during COVID, I was laid off and decided to go full-time. So I've been doing it full-time for about 3 years now. My favorite things to cook are Cajun and Caribbean.
Okay.
Cajun, Caribbean, and Creole, the 3 C's. But I cook everything. Listen, no matter what you do when you come to a Taste of Jazz, all you have to do is grab your fork, lean back, and let your lips smack. Doesn't matter what you order.
And is this your first time at Taste of Delaware?
This is my first, and hopefully not the last.
Okay.
All right, we got a table here.
Yeah. Excuse me. Recording?
Yes.
For
my YouTube channel.
what's your YouTube channel?
Day One Adventures.
Day One Adventures?
Yes. Here, I give
Am I
you.
in the video right now?
Yeah, you are if you're looking at it.
So YouTube, right after this, I'm about to subscribe.
Day One Adventures. Plug it. Subscribe to Day One Adventures.
There you go.
You got a car?
Yeah, why not?
Official, okay.
Yeah, it's official.
All of that shit.
It's official. It's official.
Day One
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Next up.
Thanks. I just want a cup. Can I get a cup?
Yeah, which one?
Because the cups look so cool. Your cups are so cool. Look at these things. I just need one. Yeah, just one. Look at the cup. It's so cool. It's a cool cup. Meatball from Jazz in Melbourne. Taste of Jazz. That's a lamb and I forget, lamb and something else, but it's good. I should grab one of these meatballs and went over to You at Deli. They got some cheese. I could have cheese and meatballs. This next one, I'm not sure what it is. It's like cucumbers with some vinegar, pickles. Looks like we got some goat cheese on there. And maybe that's fennel, maybe? It's nice and relaxing taste. And this water ice is no preservatives, no additives, this is actually strawberry. Cherry. No preservatives. This is just like fresh. He said they're like Italian cherries or something. It's good. I like it because it's not over sweet. It's actually nice and refreshing. I would actually go with this lemon in between courses. Like a little bit of this lemon between courses. Bam! That would be delicious. So that was Taste of Delaware. I will say this, a lot of good food, great businesses, and it was a nice mixture. It was some of the more established businesses along with some of the come-up businesses. You had some nonprofits that were there, some schools, and all were showcasing different foods. Delaware, I think, is definitely putting itself on the map for culinary arts. You had University of Delaware with their restaurant, their fresh food, their dairy products, their ice cream, the cheeses. I didn't even get a chance to check the cheeses yet. If you're thinking about food, think about Delaware. All right, I'm gonna get my grub on now and enjoy myself. So until next adventure, remember, take care of each other, peace out, and I'll see you all soon.